It's not soft. You'll break your face.
Who said I was going to land my face into it?
Me.
You're going to look like a penguin.
Flat face. You'll break something. The snow is hard now. It's not soft.
That's not.
There's a movie called Flat
Yes, it
Face.
is. Oh, I can't see. Look at flat face. That's what you will look like if you jump off or you will break something. Literally, the snow is not soft anymore. It is hard as a rock.
Yeah, trust me, I punched it earlier.
Why?
We'll see you both there.
You're not jumping into the snow.
So, what do you expect me to do when I have anger issues?
Listen to music.
Yeah.
That don't help.
Helps me.
Nothing helps you.
Wow, if he likes a punch of snow, leave him alone. At least he ain't punching a human being.
Oh, someone's in your
Oh, shit.
spot. Police.
Where are you going? Apartment 2?
Yeah.
You may want to wait a minute. The cops are at that door. They're in my parking spot, too.
This sucks.
Yeah, I don't know why they're going up there. Yeah, because everybody always comes to my door because I'm apartment 1. She tells everybody she's apartment 1, she's apartment 2. This is the most exciting street in Attleboro.
That's not Dad, is it?
Where? Dad's at the shop. Dad's at the shop, and I better get out of the way.
I was about to say, that truck's headlights are kind of high up, aren't they?
That's not Dad, though.
Popo.
Well, she's blind, so you actually have to go up to the up the stairs. She can't come down if she's blind. She can't see. She's legally blind. But I said legally she's blind. She can't see anything her kid does. It's a sad situation. Her rich sister had it thrown out. We're calling you over. With you.
There's always cops on this street, especially at our house.
It's the most interesting place to live at.
I've never seen anything like it.
I lived in a town for 6 months.
Oh no, the cops are always at our house. I've never seen anything like it.
Why is traffic enforcement here, though?
I don't know.
I think I know why.
Why?
Why?
Because she might have a parking ticket that she never paid for.
She's blind. She don't drive.
Cops are coming out.
Cops don't come for you for a parking ticket. I know, I have one.
Watch them walk over to the car.
Oh, no.
You know you have a parking ticket that you need to pay.
No, because the bastard shouldn't have written me one.
What does traffic enforcement mean?
You see how they like to like assholes.
They enforce the traffic? I don't know. I want to make sure I don't run over anything. I want to make sure I'm out of everybody's way, too.
Watch them get a call later on for the same thing.
Oh, my God. Well, this is the story that happened yesterday, John, because something always goes on at this house. See, Georgie and John thought they were being good Samaritans because she gets food delivered from the church and sit, right? But the fruit bed on the 3rd floor doesn't work or anything, and her boyfriend went to jail because he beat the shit out of her. And the one on the 2nd floor called the cops. Well, anyways, somebody left all this food out, and John went to look in the bags, and he thought it was trash. He thought the little boy brought down trash. He's going, what the fuck did he do now, right? Well, it turned out that it was food for the 3rd floor that her mother bought for her and left out there. When John discovered it was food, him and Georgie took it up to the 2nd floor, assuming it was hers, the food that the church had put off, and didn't want to go up the stairs because of the snow. I figured they were going to send a little kid down. And that didn't happen.
Bye, Popo.
Later, bacon.
So the fruit bat comes down from the 2nd floor and is talking to George. And George says, yeah, Yeah, we brought the food up to the lady on the second floor. Because we thought it was hers. Well, she tries to go up and get the food back, and the lady wouldn't let her look in the freezer. The cops came. The little boy followed the fruit back down with the knife and threatened to slit her throat. And he's 9. And the cop showed up. And here they are again. Hey. Oh, and they had.
I found the knife. Ah! Yeah. See, I can totally jump in this.
Then you're a crackhead. So she's just like, break.
Take it.
Danny, it's cold and I have to pee.
Danielle! Oh!
She gets stuck in.
And she always jumps on a sharp toy, you idiot!
I'm sorry, but that is going to be a funny video on YouTube. Where she gets stuck in.
Good girl. And of course, it's a shoot of morons on us, too.
It went down my pants.
Good.
TMI.
We'll give you a cooling off.
Candy.
Oh! Ow! Son of a bitch! Why are the cops here?
I have no idea. There's a car on the edge up there. Bang, bang, bang. I thought I might have been her with my money. I'm like, can't be her.